Have you ever pondered, is your consciousness solely a product of your brain processes, or is there more than meets the eye? This intriguing question invites us into the world of philosophy and neuroscience, where the mystery of consciousness remains a topic of fervent debate. The complexity of this question lies not just in its scientific aspects, but also in the philosophical implications it carries. Is our awareness merely a byproduct of our brain, or does it transcend the known boundaries of biology? This question has divided thinkers into two main camps, each with a unique perspective. On one hand, we have the materialists, who argue that consciousness is nothing more than a product of our brain's function. They put forth that our feelings, thoughts, and perceptions are mere byproducts of neurons firing and chemicals reacting within our complex neural network. Neuroscience, they say, holds the key to unraveling the mystery of consciousness. Now let's flip the coin. Enter the dualists. They propose a rather intriguing perspective, suggesting that consciousness transcends the physical brain. It might be immaterial or even spiritual. They argue that our internal experiences can't be reduced to mere biological processes. Notable thinkers from this school of thought include René Descartes, who famously asserted, "I think, therefore I am." So we have a battle of worldviews here. The hard-nosed science of the materialists versus the philosophical introspection of the dualists. Both sides present compelling arguments, yet the question remains unresolved. Imagine you're in a completely dark room. You can't see, hear, or feel anything. Are you still conscious? This thought experiment, often called the black room, challenges our understanding of consciousness. It questions whether our awareness is merely a byproduct of our senses, or if it exists independently, devoid of sensory stimuli. If consciousness is solely a biological process, as the materialists contend, then wouldn't the absence of sensory input render us unconscious? But if we follow the dualist perspective, then even in the sensory void, we remain conscious beings. This experiment encourages us to explore the nature of our own awareness and the role of sensory input in shaping our conscious experience. So even in the absence of sensory input, the question of consciousness remains. It's a fascinating thought experiment that continues to puzzle philosophers and neuroscientists alike. While this debate rages on, it prompts us to reconsider our understanding of consciousness. The issue at hand teeters between the tangible brain processes and the intangible realm of consciousness. This ongoing contention galvanizes us to probe deeper into the enigma of self-awareness, igniting fresh explorations in philosophy and neuroscience. It questions our preconceived notions, nudging us towards unexplored territories. In the end, the mystery of consciousness continues to captivate us, reminding us of the vast, uncharted territories of the human mind.